If you're looking for a quick guide on how to use Descript's project templates to speed up your workflow and create stunning projects, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Descript's project templates, how to use them, why they're a game changer, and how you can access the software completely free with some exclusive bonuses. Descript's project templates are a powerful feature that lets you set up a new project with a structure and style that suits your needs in seconds. This can be a huge time saver if you find yourself working on similar types of projects over and over again. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can select a template that already includes the key elements you need. To get started, simply open Descript and head over to the File menu, then select New Project. Once you're in the New Project screen, you'll see the option for project templates. Descript offers a range of templates, from podcast templates to video templates, and even more specialized ones like YouTube video editing templates or educational content templates. Once you pick a template, Descript will automatically fill your project with all the necessary components, like the correct file types, scene layouts, text, and even preloaded branding elements if you've customized those in your settings. This is a great way to maintain consistency across your projects, especially if you're creating content for your brand or a business. Another fantastic feature of Descript's project templates is how they allow you to jump right into editing without wasting time on setup. If you've ever worked on video or audio editing before, you know how tedious it can be to constantly reformat things for each new project. Descript eliminates that frustration, so you can focus more on the creative side of things. Descript also offers the ability to customize templates. If you've created a template that works well for a specific project, you can save it and use it again for future projects. You can even share your custom templates with your team or community. This is especially useful for teams working remotely, as it ensures everyone is on the same page when it comes to project structure. By using these templates, you can streamline your workflow and eliminate a lot of the tedious steps that usually slow down the editing process. Plus, they integrate seamlessly with Descript's powerful transcription and screen recording features, making it a perfect choice for anyone working with multimedia content. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if you're new to Descript? No worries. You can dive into project templates right from the start, and there's a ton of help available to guide you through it. Whether you're creating audio, video, or even multi-clip projects, Descript's templates are intuitive and easy to use. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can get access to Descript and try it out for free using the first link below. I've also secured an exclusive extended free trial with bonuses to make sure you get the most out of the software without committing right away. If you're serious about saving time on your projects and taking your editing game to the next level, Descript's project templates are a must-try. Check the link in the description for your extended free trial and bonus perks. Trust me, this tool is a game changer for anyone looking to speed up their content creation process while keeping everything organized and professional.